The circulatory system, cardiovascular system, pumps blood from the heart to the lungs. To get oxygen, and if you're looking for ways to increase blood flow and circulation, you may want to consider adding certain foods to your diet. Some of the foods that can increase the flow of blood to different parts of the body include 1. Garlic. Garlic is a natural blood thinner and is known to increase blood flow. It also has antioxidants that can help to improve circulation. 2. Onion. Onion is another food that can help to increase blood flow and circulation. It contains quercetin, which is an antioxidant that helps to improve circulation. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that has been used for centuries to help improve circulation. It contains curcumin, which is an anti-inflammatory that can help to reduce inflammation in the blood vessels. 4. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel are also great for increasing blood flow and circulation. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to help improve circulation.